In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Spotify to Notion in just 5 minutes. So, whether you're looking to integrate your favorite playlists into your workflow or share music with your team, let's get started with this simple tutorial. First, head over to your Spotify application, either on your desktop or via the web, and navigate to the playlist that you want to embed. If you're an avid music listener, you probably have a few go-to playlists in mind. So pick your favorite one. Once you have that open, look for the 3 dots icon next to the playlist title. This is going to be your gateway to sharing options. Click on these 3 dots and you'll see a menu pop up with various options. The one we are interested in today is the Share option. Give that a click and another submenu will appear. Here you'll want to choose Embed Playlist. This is what allows us to generate a special link that can be embedded elsewhere. Once you select Embed Playlist, you'll have the option to copy an embed link. Go ahead and click Copy. This action puts that link onto your clipboard, making it easy to transfer it to another application. In this case, Notion. Now, switch over to your Notion page. If Notion isn't already open, take a moment to navigate to your browser or app and open it up. Once you're inside Notion and on the page or workspace where you want to add your playlist, go ahead and type in Embed. When you press Enter, Notion will create an embed block for you to work with. You should see an input field appear. This is where you're going to paste the Spotify embed link you just copied. So, paste it right in there. With the link in place, look for the option to click Embed Link. When you do this, Notion will take the embed link and transform it into a visible playlist on your page. And just like that, your Spotify playlist is now part of your Notion page. The music will be visible, playable, and right there whenever you need it. But wait, there's a little more flexibility. You can click and drag the playlist's corners to resize it. This way, it can perfectly fit into your layout or be as prominent as you'd like. There you have it. A seamless way to weave a little melody into your Notion workflow. Embedding your Spotify playlist not only enhances your workspace aesthetically, but also provides easy access to your favorite tunes. So, go ahead and try these steps yourself, and bring more life into your Notion pages. Thanks for watching, and happy listening.